Kicking off those extra kilos can seem like a whole lot of work, but the right diet can make it easier to lose weight in an effective way. Here are 5 healthy drinks to aid weight loss. There isn't enough we can say about honey that hasn't already been praised about. Along with its familiar sweet taste, it's packed with nutrients and antioxidants that keep your body healthy and clean from within. Cinnamon is also extremely beneficial to your body, apart from having a delicious warm taste. It works wonders on your metabolism and helps speed its rate. If you're a victim to the occasional sweets binge, cinnamon will be just right for you. It metabolizes sugar that is present in your body and prevents it from turning into stubborn fat. All you need to do is mix 1 tablespoon of cinnamon with 1 tablespoon of honey in warm water and have it every morning. Now that's the way to have a sweet start to your day. If you're looking for overall health and wellness along with shedding fat, include this drink in your morning routine. This contains ginger, which is well known for its soothing properties on the stomach. If nausea is something that troubles you in the morning, this juice will take care of that as well. Apples are famously known for their health benefits, and they also give this juice its sweetness. Celery is also packed with water and fiber, 2 nutrients that are super effective to melt away the fat. Spinach helps you feel full for longer and contains fewer calories. Cucumbers have 0 fat and can add a dash of cool to this green drink. Ginger root is full of antioxidants and will help increase metabolism. Rich in vitamin C, lemons provide a boost of hydration and help aid weight loss. Mix in a blender 3 apples, 2 stalks celery, 1 cup spinach, 1 cucumber, 1 piece ginger root and 1 peeled lemon, and your clean drink of the day will be ready in a jiffy. Vitamins are one of the most important sources of nutrients when you're on a weight loss journey. Carrots, the hero ingredient for our next drink, is rich in the fat-soluble vitamin A and is also high in fiber. Another fiber-rich ingredient is orange, which is also packed with vitamin C and has a low calorie count. Ginger, turmeric and black pepper help increase metabolism, boost immunity and help fight off infections. For this vitamin-rich, healthy weight loss drink, you will need ½ inch of ginger, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 4 carrots, 1 orange and 1 pinch of pepper. Drink up for your daily dose of nutrients and fat fighters. If you want to get your hands on a lot of nutrition while keeping your calorie count in check, this drink is just for you. Our main ingredient, beetroot, contains vitamin C, iron, potassium and magnesium, along with having a very low calorie count. It's also high in fiber and water content, which helps aid digestion and weight loss. To complement this powerhouse of an ingredient, we have lemon and cucumber, both rich in fiber and provide instant hydration. Mix together 2 beets, 1 cucumber and half a lemon to whip up this power-packed, low-calorie drink. Stress is known to be a common factor that contributes to weight gain. A great way to fight off stress is to treat yourself to a cup of peppermint tea. Peppermint helps soothe and calm your system, in turn reducing stress. The aroma of peppermint also helps control your appetite to fight off any stress-induced binging. Start your day with a cup of peppermint tea and see your stress levels reduce over time. Make sure to continue with your exercise regime and a balanced diet so the drinks can work their magic. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.